AI isn't just tech's latest buzzword. It's a game changer for careers. But here's the truth nobody says out loud. There aren't enough people who know AI and cybersecurity. And that's not bad news. That's your opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to map out a step-by-step game plan to future-proof your career with AI upskilling in cybersecurity, even if you have zero AI background. You'll learn the professional skills that actually get you hired, the fastest way to start learning AI for cybersecurity, the best resources and labs, free and paid, real project ideas you can build to prove your skills, how to showcase your work so employers notice you. This is SecureCyberMart, and if you want to stay ahead of the AI security wave, you're in the right place. The big picture: why AI plus cybersecurity is the career cheat code. Let's zoom out. The digital world is evolving fast. Every company is becoming a tech company. And here's the problem. Cybersecurity teams are overloaded, while attackers are using AI to scale faster than ever. That's why the cybersecurity skills gap is getting worse, not better. Now add AI into the mix. Multiple industry reports show that AI is creating new specialized roles inside cybersecurity teams. Some surveys say around 73% of cybersecurity leaders believe AI is creating new roles. So here's the takeaway. If you build AI plus cybersecurity skills, you become rare. And rare gets hired. Rare gets promoted. Rare gets paid. How do you become that person? Let's break it down into a roadmap you can actually follow. Step 1. Identify key skills that make you employable. Most people lose here because they try to learn everything. Instead, you need 4 skill buckets, and if you focus on these, you'll be ahead of most people. Skill bucket 1. Machine learning basics, practical, not academic. You need to understand what a model is, what training data is, how models make predictions, why false positives and false negatives matter in security. If you know that much, you can have intelligent conversations, and you can understand modern tools. Skill bucket 2. AI and threat detection. This is the big one. Companies want people who understand how AI can detect anomalies in logs, identify suspicious behavior patterns, prioritize alerts, reduce noise in security operations. This connects directly to SOC work, SIEM work, cloud security monitoring. It's everywhere. And yes, AI/ML security is one of the top skills gaps in many organizations, which means focusing here is smart. Skill bucket 3. Automation and scripting. Automation is the career accelerator. Even basic Python helps you. Parse the logs, automate repetitive tasks, build mini workflows that save hours. If you can automate, you become valuable immediately. Skill bucket 4. Data analysis. Security is data. AI is data. So learning how to read patterns, spot anomalies, interpret dashboards and logs is one of the most underrated professional skills in cybersecurity. So if your goal is career development and you want future jobs, those 4 buckets are your foundation. That's your baseline for AI upskilling and learning AI in cybersecurity. Step 2. Leverage free and paid resources without getting lost. People collect 47 courses and build 0 skills. So here's the rule. Pick one path, then build while you learn. For structured learning, Coursera-style courses are good for fundamentals. Look for machine learning for beginners. Look for Python for data analysis. Look for AI and cybersecurity introductions. For labs, cybersecurity labs that let you practice log analysis, platforms where you can simulate detection workflows, sandbox environments where you can test tools safely. Step 3. Hands-on practice, where careers are actually built. Now this is the real difference maker. You need a repeatable system. Learn, build, improve. Here are 3 project ideas you can do at different levels. Project 1. AI-assisted log triage, beginner. Take a sample data set of logs and build a script that parses them, groups similar events, flags unusual patterns. Even simple anomaly detection counts. Project 2. Threat report summarizer, intermediate. Use AI to summarize threat intel articles, extract indicators of compromise, output a clean report. That's a real skill cybersecurity teams need right now. Project 3. Detection plus response mini pipeline, advanced. Build a pipeline that detects suspicious behavior, enriches the alert, prioritizes and outputs the top threats. When you build projects like these, you're not just learning AI. You're building professional skills that prove you can do the job. That's why tech education without hands-on practice doesn't work. Step 4, community and networking, the shortcut most people ignore. Here's the truth. You can learn twice as fast when you learn with others. Join communities focused on AI and cybersecurity. LinkedIn groups, cybersecurity forums, local meetups, open source communities. The goal isn't to beg for jobs. The goal is to learn what people are building, ask smarter questions, meet mentors and peers. You show up enough and opportunities start finding you. Step 5, showcase your skills so employers notice you. So here's how to instantly stand out. Add your AI plus cybersecurity projects to LinkedIn. Post a short breakdown. What I built, what I learned, what I'd improve. Upload your scripts to GitHub with a clean README. Write a blog post explaining your project. And if you want a place to publish and learn more, again, our website is built for exactly this. SecureCyberMart is designed to connect. Find the link in the description. Mini success story. Meet Jane. Jane was a network engineer. She wasn't a machine learning expert, so she focused on AI upskilling. Basic Python. Log analysis. One small project, an AI-assisted alert summarizer. She shared her progress online. She made her skills visible. And within months, she transitioned into a security data analyst role leveraging AI. That's the blueprint. Learn, build, show, repeat. Final recap, your 5-step game plan. Let's recap your roadmap. Identify key skills: ML basics, AI threat detection, automation, data analysis. Choose resources, courses, plus labs, not endless content collecting. Build projects, proof of work beats credentials alone. Join community, learn faster, and find opportunities. Showcase your work. LinkedIn plus GitHub plus blog posts. Visibility. This is how you unlock future jobs. Your future self will thank you for learning these skills today. If you enjoyed this and found it useful, subscribe to SecureCyberMart and share this with someone who needs a confidence boost. And connect with SecureCyberMart on Instagram and Pinterest. Let's build a community of continuous learners. Remember, the only ceiling is the one you place on yourself. Break free from self-doubt and embrace your potential. Your journey in cybersecurity is just beginning, full of exciting challenges. Apply these principles diligently and watch your career flourish. Start today, take that first step. Thank you for watching.